So guys, hello everyone, welcome back to the SRD group channel and another new video. So if you have this problem when you try to log in your Facebook ID, like you can see here in my side, this error will become an unexpected error occurred, please try again later. So in this video I'm gonna show you the solution of this problem. You can easily fix this problem from your mobile phone 2022. I'm gonna show you the top 2 methods from which you can easily solve this problem, login error. So please watch this video full, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to more people, and please subscribe the channel. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. Okay guys, so if you want to solve this error, an unexpected error occurred, please try again later, login problem. First you have to go to your web browser, and here you have to search this guys, Facebook. Okay, just search Facebook, and you can see here guys the first website, Facebook official website guys, facebook.com. the link is in the description. So open this, and now here you have to select your ID. So I select my Sohail Rahman ID. Just select the account, and now here you have to type your Facebook ID password. So I type the password guys. Okay guys, so I have typed my ID password. So just you have to click on this login button, and you see the live proof guys. Okay, so you can see here is no any error or login problem. This problem has been solved guys very instantly. This website work this trick guys. You can see here the live proof. You can try this same method in your mobile phone, and this error will be not come guys from this trick, from this website. You have to do this trick guys. So this is the first method guys. I have shown you the live proof. Here is no any error or an unexpected error. All the problem has been solved. So let's move to the second method guys. Okay, so the second method is you have to go to your Play Store, and here you have to download one application guys. Link is in the description, clone app. Okay, so this is the application guys. You can see here only 23 MB. So just install this app, clone app parallel space. So this is the application, link in the description. Okay, so app has been installed. So I open this app, clone app. It is loading guys. So now you have to allow all the permissions, wrong. And now guys, you can see here the first application, Facebook, in my mobile screen. So just you have to select this Facebook app. You can see here cloning. Please wait. Opening the app, and this application you will get 100% result guys. Here is one ad. Okay, now guys you have to continue. You can see here it takes some time to load this Facebook app. So just you have to type your Facebook ID and your password. So I type my Facebook ID and password. Sohail Rahman. And now you have to type your ID password guys. So I type it. Okay, so you can see here I have typed my Facebook ID and password. So just log in. Okay, now you will not see any problem guys, not any error. Okay, so login code required. So it takes some time to code. So I wait for the code guys. Okay, so this is my login code. So I paste it and continue. You'll see the live proof guys. No any unexpected error or any other problem guys. Okay, so you can see here guys live proof. I have logged into my Facebook ID in a mobile screen. You can see here guys. So this is my Facebook ID. So this is the second method guys from this clone app. I have shown you the both tricks, and you can easily run your Facebook application without any problem or any unexpected error occurred. So these are the method to solve this problem. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So bye bye guys.